Okay, we just learned how to burp, and we're gonna do this on command.
Wait, is this recording?
Yeah, it's recording right now. What's up, Billy?
Hey!
Yeah, for sure. Just grab it. Okay.
This is a bad call, Bram.
What's the bet?
Floor test going on, dude.
Floor step. What's going on?
Floor test. It's a no-go, Bram. It's a no fucking go.
Oh, for you?
No.
Or for like everyone?
Whoever's involved.
Who's involved? What's going on right now? I know that.
Shiloh, all that.
Wait, what's your name again?
Are you serious?
Yeah, I really bad memory.
You're so
Billy's talking about floor
I
steps.
know, what's your name? Ryan.
This video's never gonna happen.
Yeah.
She's like not even. Okay, let's hear this burp. She did a pretty good burp. Hold on, it's wait, what's wrong way? Okay, go.
Thank you.
I'm just gonna say how it is.
That's my burp. I am proud of this girl. Her first. Oh, whoa, she's still going. What the heck?
I was just inhaling.
No, she's not even burping now. She's just in here. What's up, Ben?
Wait, is that the one place baseball? Or is that a different Ben?
His name was Evan.
Oh.
This girl's crazy.
No, that's it. That's all I have.
I can't go any better than that.
You like make them like dumb jokes.
Did you hear that?
Yeah, I did. Tell the camera something. It's still recording. This is the worst video ever. No one's gonna watch this.
Forever. Like it's not like they found anything about me. They're probably just making something up.
Burping.
It's like, oh, no, worry about it. Just go.
I can't even burp that much, and I've been burping for years. Since I was a baby.
We're terrible. Can we learn how to do this first?
Okay, yeah. We'll come back with the second video.